The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine has lines on the throat plate. So these are helpful for getting the right seam allowance distance. And I want to show you how you measure it and how to even know which line to use. So in your pattern or something that you are following, the first step will usually say what the designer's seam allowance was allowed for that particular project. So garment sewing is traditionally 5/8 of a seam. And so if you have something to measure like this, you're measuring from the needle out to the line, and actually it's the line right on that opening there, which is kind of funny. But I do know that that is where, if I was following along for garment sewing, how far away I can be. You can also get feet with guides or a 1/4 inch foot for if you're used to doing patchwork or quilting traditionally. This is not a 1/4 inch seam. It's actually usually a little bit bigger. Actually, it's not far off, but I would want to use a 1/4 inch foot. That would be perfectly designed for a 1/4 inch seam. But it is something that, no matter what, always measure so you know where to follow the edge of your foot or one of those lines for bigger or smaller seam allowances. But always look at your pattern and see what is recommended.